月 F1933。Airline Win A route and NA route now provide direct service to Airport Terminal 1, Terminal 2, and Hong Kong-Zhuhai Macau Bridge, Hong Kong Port. During the summer holidays, NA routes offer enhanced services to facilitate passenger travel during late night and overnight hours. For details, please refer to App 1933. 所有龙运 A 线及 NA 线都可以直达机场1号客运大楼、2号客运大楼及港珠澳大桥香港口岸。暑假期间 ，NA 线会增加班次，方便乘客先夜或通宵出行。服务及班次详情，请查看 App 1933。